One of the most important settings that need to be changed when any Google Analytics account is created is increasing the data retention period. Otherwise, if this retention period is not increased, the data after a certain period of time will be deleted. These changes need to be done for both types of account, which is Universal Analytics and GA4. So I will show you how to change this retention period. First, we will do with Universal Analytics. You need to go to admin, then go to tracking info, then come down to data retention, and here you get the settings for data retention. So you have two options. One is the user data retention and the time period, and the other one is to reset. So what I would suggest to do is maybe you could change it to do not automatically expire. So this means that it does not expire any after any period of time. So this is for Universal Analytics. So once this is done, click on save. Okay, so this is for Universal Analytics. Now we will do for GA4. Okay, for GA4, you need to go to the Google Analytics GA4 account. Once you're there, click on admin, then go to data settings, come down to data retention. So unlike Universal Analytics where they have a do not expire, this option has only two things. One is 2 months and another one is 14 months. So what I suggest you do is put it as 14 months, and this is the on and this is the off. I would suggest keep it on so that whenever the user comes back, the date range will automatically be reset. So then click on save. Yeah, so it's safe. So if you do not do these settings after a certain period of time, after 14 months, the data of the user will be deleted. So you will not be able to compare the stats with the previous year's figures. So if you have any questions regarding data retention for Universal Analytics or GA4, please let me know. Thank you.